agree with you on this, and this is a major point to me. We, business, made a mistake by not getting more involved earlier. I do not believe that the problems of society will be fixed by politicians alone. That's not an insult to politicians. Most of the really good ones, they want help to figure things out. And we, business, kind of step back. That's what happened in Europe, where, the political leadership class became a permanent political leadership class. And I think it ended up being a mistake. So I do agree with that point that we should step forward and do things that are good for the country. Like John F. Kennedy said, don't ask what the country could do for you, ask what you could do for the country. And we've got to have a little bit more of that spirit.
Jamie Dimon has highlighted how the private sector and industrial policy is needed to establish American leadership for intelligent infrastructure. Intelligent infrastructure economic zones cut the Gordian knot. They are both the passive infrastructure and the business model that mobilizes private sector funding at scale, ending the decade-long handicap on large-scale deployment. This is how we transform our physical infrastructure into a secure, competitive, and intelligent platform for autonomy, AI, and resilient transportation. JPMorganChase has already launched a $1.5 trillion program to boost critical industries and underwrite intelligent infrastructure.
AI will be distributed at the edge, present at the location, and understand the logic of the physical world. This is where AI RAN and 6G change everything. The radio network becomes a distributed AI. Every base station with NVIDIA Aerial becomes an AI computer. And 6G is the connective fabric. Computing, sensing, and connectivity converge. This creates entirely new opportunities for the telecommunications industry. That's why this moment matters. I'm thrilled to see our vision of AI RAN taking shape. Everything that moves will be robotic.
I'm going to go back to that term platform. There will be a platform. That platform will be generating tokens, AI applications. It will also be generating bits, as John called it, which is the radio access network. And
for our country to really reach the scale that it can be, for it to be successful, we need to be the leader in the world of 5G and 6G.
New era we're entering it. From eVTOLs, drones, autonomous vehicles, to space travel, we're in a global race to out-innovate and out-compete the rest of the world.
We don't just build roads. We are building intelligent corridors of commerce for all Americans. Intelligent infrastructure moves past the device blight that currently plagues our streets. Drawing on the hallmark of the Trump brand design and aesthetics, this national build-out will be beautiful. We are replacing the chaos of bolting and nailing of 21st century technology onto rotting wood poles with unified, high-design nodes that serve as the social, cultural, and economic anchors of our communities. The public infrastructure network node is not just infrastructure, it is a digital condo that must be financed, permitted, and built with the same precision as a 5-star skyscraper.